Field service management is essential for manufacturing businesses to optimize operations, enhance customer satisfaction, and streamline service delivery. In this video, we will show how you can automate your manufacturing field operations using Zuper, the most flexible and customizable FSM software for service businesses. We are now looking at the dashboard of an air compressor manufacturing business. The dashboard gives an overview of the job statistics, statuses, customer feedback, team availability, and more. Let's start by creating an air compressor asset in Zuper. Click on Assets in the left navigation bar. Using asset management, you can monitor and manage your and your customer's asset lifecycle, automate preventive maintenance tasks, and maintain a complete record of every asset. Click on New Asset. Enter the asset code as AC109. Enter the asset name as Premium Air Compressor. Select the asset category as Equipment. Choose the asset status as Ready to Install. Select the asset ownership as Owned by Customer. Let's associate the customer with the asset. Click on Choose Customer. Select the customer from the pop-up. Now that you have filled in the necessary information, let's save the asset. The asset is created successfully. Let's create a job to install the asset. Click on New Job on the Asset Details page. The Customer Details section is pre-filled. Moving on to the Job Details section, enter the job title as Air Compressor Installation. Choose the job category as Installation Services. Set the job priority as High. Pick the job start date and start time. The job end date and end time are pre-filled based on the job category chosen. Moving on to the next tab, let's assign the job to a field technician. Choose the team. You can view the user's availability below. Pick the most suitable technician and click on Assign. Let's move to the last section to preview and save the job. The asset installation job is created successfully. On the Job Details page, you can view the primary details like job title, status, scheduled date, SLA duration, assigned technician, service and billing address, and customer location. Now let's update the job status to Scheduled. Select Scheduled from the Job Status dropdown and click on Update. We have created an air compressor installation job, assigned it to a field technician, and updated the job status. Now let's log into the technician's mobile app. The Zuper mobile app equips your field technicians with customer data, job details, parts and service details, invoicing, and real-time communication capabilities. Under Notifications, you can view the job. Let's click on it. You can view the job details, including schedule, category, priority, and customer location. Let's accept the job. On the Job Details view, you can view the associated assets. You can also update site images and other details as notes to the job. Using the inbuilt chat application, you can also chat with the back office staff or manager. You can request more information or assistance. After the installation, the field technician can update the job status as completed. To do so, click on Status. Select Change Status. Select Install Complete from the list of available statuses. In the ensuing checklist, you can upload the site image by clicking a picture or choosing one from the gallery. Let's choose the site picture from the gallery and click on Upload. Click on Submit. The job status is updated successfully. Let's return to the Zuper web app and create planned preventive maintenance schedules for the asset. Click on Assets in the left navigation bar. Click on the asset we created. In the Asset Details page, click on New PPM. Choose the priority. Let's auto-generate jobs for the PPM. You can choose to generate the jobs before a certain number of days. Choose the job category. Let's move on to PPM schedule. You can pick the frequency in which PPM should be scheduled. Enter the frequency period. Pick the next service date. Pick the PPM end date. You can view the scheduled dates below. Let's create the PPM. The planned preventive maintenance schedules are created successfully. In summary, we created an air compressor asset, completed the installation job, set up planned preventive maintenance schedules for the asset, and auto-generated PPM jobs. Do you want to optimize your field processes using Zuper? Schedule a demo with us today.